Hello and welcome to eLeaP. In this quick tutorial, we are looking at how you can add video content into your eLeaP lesson. Now, of course, you can upload video directly into eLeaP, but if let's say you found a video on YouTube or maybe even Vimeo and you wanted to utilize that, either it's your video, it's public video that you want to use in your content. How do you do that? Well, that's super easy. The first thing I'm going to do is add in a lesson. So I'll go ahead and add in this lesson, and it happens to match the title of the video. And then right over here I am going to click on edit. Now for the purpose of this, I will make my screen a little bigger, and I'm going to use the more option here. It doesn't matter, you can go to insert and click media if you like, but I like to use a full menu, so I'll just go ahead and go to this area here. Now this is what I'm looking for right over here where it says insert video URL, and what you will need is the URL for your video. So let's go to YouTube, and right over here you can click to share and copy. That's one way. You can also just copy the link from here, doesn't matter, and what you want to do is just add that in here. It will pull it right over here. If you want to change the dimensions of the video, feel free to do that. I will actually go ahead and I'm going to change that to 700 by 4 so that it just makes it a lot bigger. And literally that is how simple and easy it is to add your video. As usual, if you have any questions about this or any other features in the system, please do not hesitate to contact us.